Welcome to this tutorial. Previously, we looked at comparison operators where we learned to compare the ages of voters. Today, we're going to look at logical operators. A logical operator is a word that is used to combine multiple conditions, and it returns a Boolean value. I hope you remember that Booleans are true or false. Let's take an example. If John has a national ID and John is above the age of 18, then John is eligible for voting. The logical operator we're using here is the word and. If John does not have a national ID and John is not above the age of 18, then John is not eligible for voting. The logical operator here is the word not. But if John has a national ID or John is above the age of 18, then John is eligible for voting. The logical operator here is the word or. So these operators are written the same way you write them in English in your code. Join me in the next video as we learn about more operators.